Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. Yeah, I know I've been missing for quite some time now, but trust me, I'm extremely busy these days. But for certain, I'm gonna be on more now, so I can see the talent I have, right? Cooking. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be cooking. Guess what? Crab. I'm gonna cook crab, boil it. So I have to wish me look on the window because I have to take it out of the bag and try to wash it, which I'm not good on that. So wish me luck on the water, guys, because but yeah, I love crab, but for hold them and wash them and clean them and all type of something, I'm not good on it. So stick around, guys. So now, guys, the pot I boil over this up. This is the pot where the season up, and this is the other pot where I'm going to wash the crab them off, because if they move too vibrant, I'm going to just put them in the boiling water. I have the season over here, so which is I have my pimento, I have my garlic, I have my escallion, I have my onion, and I have my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna look a piece of sweet pepper, and you know me have my time, I look dry out time, but you know them dry out them well, you know. Nice and everything. So I have a look at assistance with taking the cap out of the cooker's bag. Yes. So wish me luck again on the wonder, because girl, afraid of crab, but girl love crab, right? What I'm gonna be doing now is seasoning up my pot right here, which is the pot that I'm right now. Putting on the seasoning. If I can multitask, bear with me. So I'm gonna put everything in the pot. I think we can accomplish it, but I think we can accomplish it. So let me take it out. I'm gonna play a show up, and they've got us dash right. I mean, bam. Then tomato season. Damn, like this. Call it like we call it the pimento. Damn it. A lot of that. We put in the pimento. So know that all of my season is in the pot, which the salt I'm going in. I'm gonna put in the salt. And that. And don't forget the cup noodle. Now the cup noodle. So be right back, guys. Now we have the cup noodle right here. This video wasn't sponsored, by the way. But Grace, if you want to sponsor this video, okay, girl. So the cup noodle. So what I already know is yellow seed. So now that is done, I'm just gonna add a little salt to it. And then put it in a pot. Hold on for better view. Hold on. Nothing wrong with the food then. Live and direct, guys. Look at it. Yeah. So pretty. If you chop him in this, you know, it's so next time I go slow dead and you want to wash with brush.
Come on, you get more wash with brush.
and see. If you ever give me
relax yourself and see my dead.
Oh my god. Yeah, go relax on now. Oh my god, poor thing. Alright, go to the side. Yeah. Don't let him crawl out of the pot.
I'm not going to crawl out.
That's what I'm say, better.
Yeah, put him down in there, so. Yes, man. Your pot cover. Give me a pot cover. I'm drop me to put on a pot cover.
Mas I'm like, I go to bed up.
I'll show you. This good? No, this good.
You can't use it. So why is it so dirty? I say what I clump, you know.
Cool. Thinking now,
mine, you know. How he was playing so hard to get. I know he's dead. No, not really dead, but half dead.
Spacing. Can put him. Next one now. Next one clean.
So guys, out of the 4 crab, this one is a female one and it's very tasty. Yes. So we're gonna put all of them in the pot and we'll be right back. And this is the last one. Hello. Remember the one here? Oh my god, that was crazy. Guys, that was a very hard task because I did all the work, but everything in the pot. See? So we have 3 man crab and 1 female crab. So I'm gonna make this cook for an hour. I make this cook for an hour and be right back, guys, and show you. So guys, it's been 1 hour since it's been cooking and I'm gonna test it and everything, but it's not fully cooked. So what I'm gonna do is give it 40 more minutes, but I'm gonna show you it right now. And thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos like these. Look out for more content. I'm not leave one again like the last time, so give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend. Yes, and thank you guys for watching. Safe.